from there you can start charging $20, $50, $100 per hour by just doing this simple training. Stay at home and make money. In this video we'll give you 3 ways on how you can make money from your home, from your couch, without going out. Because in this period, in some countries it's better and in some other it's worse, but it's important to stay home, or maybe you don't have your job because you need to work from home, or you have maybe lost your job. And in this video I want to give you 3 ways on how you can start making money from home. It's not some get rich quick, but on some business plan you can make money faster, and in some other business plan you can make bigger money. But we don't lose time. The first is to create a social media account and grow that account. You can choose, it can be YouTube, it can be Instagram, it can be TikTok, it can be whatever you want. But in order to create a great page, you need to create the right content. Keep posting, keep creating good, juicy and interesting content to post on that social media platform. So you will create your page around what you like and what you're good at it. So then once you will grow your page, you can start doing some partnerships. You can promote other pages, you can sell affiliate product, you can do whatever you want, but the important thing is to keep consistent, because this maybe will take 2 days for you if you are extremely lucky, but I don't know a single person that have got success in just 2 days. But maybe it will take 2 weeks, 2 months, 2 years, 20 years, I don't know. And you can get it faster just by doing more and better. So, for example, right now the social media that is most trending is TikTok, and you'll see a lot of people dancing and doing funny videos. But on TikTok you can do whatever you want. You can post video like this where you teach something, you can do a vlog, you can post dancing, you can post some pictures, you can do whatever you want. And on TikTok it's easier to grow right now because it's a platform where the algorithm is not so difficult, so strong, maybe like Instagram, Facebook or YouTube, but it's something new, and the algorithm will easily suggest your content even if you're not a famous creator and even if your content is not amazing. So make sure to create a TikTok account and start posting a ton of content. 5, 10, 20 pieces of content a day. Yes, you have heard right, a day. So by doing that you will see that just in few months you will see a big difference around your social media, and you will start making money, because then you can promote your products, maybe your merch, you can sell advertisement on your platform, you can do deals with affiliate brands, you can sell affiliate products, you can do a ton of stuff in order to make money, and you can do everything just by staying at home. The second way is to create a consulting business through Instagram. Set up your Instagram profile with 9 pages with a great description and something that people will find interested in. And for example, if your potential clients it's a soccer player and you're also a soccer player but you play at a really high level, you can add all your pictures, all your videos about what you do and what you know about soccer. And then from there start messaging a ton of people, 10, 20, 50, 100 people a day. Send them messages, just engage with them, and you will find people that are interested to know more about your service, about your knowledge, about what you do and what you know. So here comes into place the consulting. You can just simply do a call, a video call. Maybe you can start for free to just do 10 minutes, give a ton of value, and then you will see that the other person will maybe do another one again in the future, and they will be very, very interested to know what you know and to get your knowledge. So from there you can start charging $20, $50, $100 per hour by just doing this simple training where you speak to the other person through the camera and you do pretty much a live call and you explain to them, you teach them, and you can do everything from your own house. And the last business idea is to create a little social media marketing agency, but you just have a content creation agency. You just create content for other people, for other social media, for other companies. For example, if you see that around your city there are 10 restaurants or maybe 10 gyms or whatever you want, you just simply call them and say, hi, I have an agency, I create content for companies, let me show you what I've done. You just create, for example, 10 posts that can be the ideal post for the gym, and even if you cannot go there or even if the gym is closed, you can still connect with those people, and it's better because they have more time to speak with you and they are less stressed. So you will share with them the content. Okay, here the workout zone, here you put some other stuff, here some tips for get better in shape, and you create a little plan, a little social media plan for all those companies, and you can sell just the plan, you can sell the content, you can create something that maybe you work with them for 6 months, maybe you can create a 1-year contract, you can choose whatever you want. But by simply staying at home, working on your computer and creating content for social media of other companies or maybe even for other people, you will see that you will start making money fast and you will create a great business, because this is something real, it's something that you see face to face, the other people, you see the company, you already know some people around your local area that they have this need and they have businesses. And if you want to make more money by using Telegram, in this video right here I show you 5 ways on how you can make $5,000 per month by just simply using the app Telegram. I see you there.